you're looking for the perfect baby shower gift, or maybe to that parent who loves reading to their children, this is such a cute book. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. This book is by the brand Little Hippo Books. So you could see it is such a cute book. I like the thick pages. So even if your toddler gets a hold of this book, it is okay because the pages are thick. And take a look on the top. It's actually like a cushion, soft book up top. Night Night to the Animals. It is such a cute book with so many adorable illustrations, and I like also, as I was reading through it, I like that it also rhymes, so it's super cute. This is a quick book to get through, especially during bedtime. It's a quick read. I like that you could personalize it up front. It says this book belongs to, super cute, the little duck, but look at how adorable this book is. Super quick, it rhymes, cute illustrations, very adorable. So if you like reading books to your toddler at night, or if you want to go ahead and give this to somebody, this is such a perfect book. Overall, if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.